Yeah, all you're gonna do is just gonna hold it right up like this and fire it right into my forehead. Stand up for a second. Go ahead. Yep, put your hand in there. That's right there. Up to my forehead. Forehead. Now, see, from there, you might actually hit my eye. I'm okay with pulling something out of my forehead, but there we go. By the way, you'll find my will right over there. Guys, take video because we have 400 witnesses to what you did. Get ready. Are you crazy? Yeah, go ahead. Oh.
Are you crazy?
Wow. She looks more relieved than I am. So that leaves two. Go ahead and mix them up so there's no way, because I did glance back there. We don't want there to be any chance of me knowing where it is. So just kind of, that one right there, you get to choose. Do you want to fire that one into the board or into my head?
Board.
Sorry, it doesn't work that way. That one, okay, put that one up to my forehead, and we're going to do it at the same time. Good. Here we go.
Are you crazy?
Do you realize there's a 50-50 split? I know.
Are you crazy?
Just like a lower. It's as if she wanted to staple my lips. You know my children, don't you? All right, we're going to do it 3 times in a row real quick.
Are you crazy? Are you crazy?
Are you crazy? And this one has a nail. Nothing here. Thank you for being here.